Good evening students, welcome to class 7th maths. As before we begin practice set 9, there are some examples or some rules you have to follow. On textbook page number 13, there is some rules that you have to follow. 7 upon minus 9. Here the denominator is having negative sign. You have to make the numerator negative sign if denominator is negative. 7 upon minus 9 becomes minus 7 upon 9. Now here there are two negative integers. Both numerator and denominator number is having negative sign. Minus 6 upon minus 3. Minus 6 upon minus 3 is equal to 6 upon 3. Now we have already studied that the product of two negative numbers are positive. Similarly in division also, the quotient of two negative integers is a positive number. Minus 6 upon minus 3 become 6 upon 3. Because minus into minus become plus. And if you cancel this minus sign, it becomes 6 upon 3. Now next one, 12 upon 4. Is 12 divisible by 4? That you have to check by dividing. 12 divided by 4 you have to divide over here. 4 amounts are going 12, 4 3s are 12 and remainder is getting 0. So you have tried multiplication form 4 into 3. If in numerator form, what multiplication form you are writing, which number you are writing in multiplication form, you have to write same number multiplication form in denominator also. Now 12 is already divisible by 4. If it is divisible by 4, so 4 only table you have to take over here. 4 amounts are 4, 4 ones are 4 get cancelled. So your answer is 3 upon 1. So 3 upon 1 become answer 3. Any number dividing by 1 is the same number. Any number multiplying by 1 is the same number. Now let us begin the practice set 9. Minus 96 divided by 16. First one sum C. Minus 96 upon 16. If you don't know the 16 table, look here. You have tried the 16 table. On the right side, you have to draw the straight line with pencil and ruler on the right side, and you have to write if you don't know the table. 16 amounts are 96. 16 6 are 96. So you have to write 16 multiplied by 6. But minus 96 is the negative number. Minus 96 having the negative sign over here. Okay, so minus 6 you can write, 1 you can put negative sign in any one number you can put here. Either minus 16 you can put negative sign, or either minus 6 you can put the negative sign. Any number you can put the negative sign, because plus into minus become minus. If it is going 16 table, so denominator also you have to take 16 only number table. 16 amounts are 16. 16 ones are 16. So cancel this 16, 16. To do this cancellation, answer is 1. Because 16 divided by 16, your quotient is 1. So that's why you have to do the cancellation method. Minus 6 upon 1 is the answer. So minus 6 upon 1 is answer is minus 6. If you don't write denominator 1 over here, if you write denominator 1 or not writing denominator 1, it's okay, no problem. You can write this much also answer. 98 upon minus 28. Now here denominator negative is there. If denominator negative is there, you have to make the numerator negative. It becomes minus 98 upon 28. Just now we have studied the rules over here. 7 upon minus 9 becomes minus 7 upon 9. So you have to learn according to that rules which I taught you now examples. 98 upon minus 28 become minus 98 upon 28. Now this both number is divisible by 14. 14 into minus 7 upon 14 numbers are 28, 14 twos are, 14 sevens are 98. If you write 14 table, you will get the answer. Both numbers, both numerator and denominator. Both numbers are divisible by 14. 14 sevens are, see that when you are dividing, no, both numerator and denominator, no, it should be write in multiplication form same number, not any other number, because you have to follow the cancellation method also. 14 get cancelled. Minus 98, 14 into minus 7, one you have to take positive number here. On numerator minus 98 is given, negative sign is given, so one you have to take positive and other one you have to take negative, because plus into minus become minus, because here it is given negative sign on numerator. So denominator write both positive number, 14 into 2. So 14 get cancelled. 14 divided by 14 is answer 1. So your answer is minus 7 upon 2. Minus 7 upon 2 will be your answer. If you have place, you can continue here. You can write it down if you don't have place. So I am writing it over here. Next one. Minus 51 upon 68. Numerator which number is there? Minus 51. Numerator having which sign? Negative sign. So 51 is not divisible by 2. You have to divide by 3. Whether it is divisible by 3, you have to check that. 51 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 sevens are 21. So it is divisible by 51 is going by 17 table, because I got quotient 17 here. So it is divisible by 17 and 3. But 68, denominator 68, it is not divisible by 3. 68 number is there no over here. It is not divisible by 3, because unit place is 8 is there. When you divide over here 68 by 3, check that it is getting a what. Sometimes odd numbers, when you are multiplying, unit place is getting even number also or odd number also. You have to check that. No, it is not divisible, because the remainder should get 0. Is it divisible? No, it is not divisible. Why? The remainder should get 0. So that means 17 table it is going by both the numbers. Look here, 17 table is going by both the numbers. Check by 4 table. 68 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. 4 sevens are 28. See that now both numbers minus 51 and 68 quotient is getting 17. When you divide 51 by 3, quotient is getting 17. When you are dividing 68 by 4, quotient is getting 17. So both number is divisible by 17. So you have to write now in multiplication form. 17 into minus 3 and other one 17 into 4. 17 get cancelled. Wait a minute. Now look here, 17 into minus 3. One you have to write in negative form and other one you have to write positive form. Plus into minus is minus. On numerator one negative sign is given. Look clearly here. 17 get cancelled. So your answer is minus 3 upon 4. If you cancel both 17 numerator and denominator, your answer is minus 3 upon 4, because both number is divisible by 17. Next one, see, 38 upon minus 57. 38 divided by 2 is divisible by what? You have to check that. Yes, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 18, 2 nines are 18. Look here, 2 ones are 2 and 2 nines are 18. So it is divisible by 19. 38 number is divisible by 2 and 19. So write in 19 multiply by 2 on numerator. Minus 57 also, 57 is not divisible by 2. So you have to check in 3 table. When you are dividing 57 by 3, your quotient is getting 19. That means both numerator and denominator is divisible by 19. 38 number 19 twos is going, and 57 19 threes are will go. But already I told you, before you do this, 38 upon minus 57, if denominator is negative, you have to make the numerator negative. Minus 38 upon 57. So now you have to write in multiplication form. (19) into minus 2 upon 19 into 3. 19 get cancelled. So your answer is minus 2 upon 3. Minus 85 upon 20. Both the numbers are divisible by 5. This is very simple. 5 numbers are 20. First you do in denominator form, which is easy. 5 fours are 20. Now 85 divided by 5 if you do. If you do 85 divided by 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35. It is going 5 multiplied by 17, but numerator is having the negative sign. So you have to put any one negative sign. Plus into minus become minus. So 5 get cancelled. So your answer is minus 17 upon 4. Sixth one, minus 150 upon minus 25. Minus and minus, both numerator and denominator numbers are having the negative sign. The quotient of two negative integer is a positive number. Minus by minus become plus. You have already studied rules over here. Minus 6 upon minus 3 become 6 upon 3. Same thing, minus 150 upon minus 25 become 150 upon 25. So 150 upon 25, is it divisible by same number? You have to check that. Yes, it is divisible. You have to write a 25 table if you don't know. 25 table is very simple. It is very common. You have to write on the right side. You have to draw the straight line with pencil and ruler, and you have to write 25 table. 25 6 are will go. 25 6 are, and here 25 ones are. 25 get cancelled. So your answer is 6 upon 1. 6 upon answer. Any number dividing by 1 is the same number. Now the second part of the same practice set will continue tomorrow. Thank you.